In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag blog posts on Wix. Tags are a simple but powerful way to organize your content so readers can quickly find related posts. They also help search engines understand what your articles are about, which can improve discoverability. Think of tags as descriptive labels that group posts by specific topics, tools, or themes. Start by opening your site dashboard in Wix. On the left-hand side, click on Blog. This brings up all your blog tools. Next, choose Posts to see your list of published and draft articles. Find the post you want to tag, then click Edit to open it in the blog editor. Taking a moment to select the right post ensures your tags are applied exactly where you want them. Inside the blog editor, look to the left pane again and click Settings. This is where you control key details for your post beyond the main content. It's a helpful hub for features like tags, categories, and other post-specific options. Within Settings, go to the Tags tab. Here's where the magic happens. You can type a tag manually if you're introducing a new label that fits your content. As you type, keep your tags short and descriptive. Think email marketing, vegan recipes, or travel tips. If you already have tags set up on your site, you can also choose from your existing tags right in this section. Reusing existing tags keeps your blog consistent and makes it easier for readers to browse related articles. A few quick best practices will help you get the most out of tags. Use 2 to 5 relevant tags per post to keep things focused. Avoid creating multiple tags that mean the same thing, like DIY and do it yourself, which can fragment your content. Stick to consistent capitalization and prefer singular or plural forms consistently, such as always using recipes instead of sometimes using recipe. Most importantly, make sure each tag truly reflects the content of the post so readers land on exactly what they expect when they click it. That's all you need to do to tag a post on Wix. By following these steps, opening your blog posts, editing the right article, heading into Settings, and adding tags in the Tags tab, you'll make your content easier to explore and more connected across your site. Take a moment to review your tags after you add them, making sure they align with your overall content strategy. With thoughtful tagging, your blog becomes more navigable for visitors and clearer for search engines. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing.